Hi, this is Asian Zen Beauty. We specialize in providing mind, body, spirit healing to support you. The best time to meditate is right after waking up or before going to sleep. Practice consistently for 7 days, and you will feel inner peace and experience a transformation in your life.
Life is a journey of self-manifestation. Whether you want to manifest wealth, love, career, or anything else, this exercise can help you. Before starting, there are 2 important points to note. First, you need to have a clear goal for what you want to manifest. Second, you need to practice in a calm and relaxed state. You can like and save this exercise and practice it when the time is right. Once you are ready, we will begin the experience by choosing a comfortable and relaxed position. You can sit or lie down. When everything is settled, gently close your eyes. Slowly adjust your breathing, inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Take 3 deep breaths to align yourself, allowing your breath to become even, slow, and deep. As you breathe deeply, your body and mind gradually become calm and steady. You feel your body getting lighter, as light and free as a feather. You walk joyfully on a grassland, feeling a level of relaxation and ease that you've never felt before. You see a large bubble not far in front of you. You approach it. This bubble is solid, safe, and transparent, with a door that you enter through, which closes gently behind you. The bubble, carrying your light body, begins to rise slowly. You and the bubble float freely in the sky. For the first time, you see birds up close, greeting you, and the white clouds and sun are all smiling, welcoming you. Everything is so beautiful and peaceful, and you are immersed in the embrace of nature. In this sky without limits, you let go of the mind's interference and can hear the voice of your heart. Now listen quietly. What is the deepest desire in your heart? Is it love, family, work, career, wealth, or something else? Be patient with yourself and listen quietly. Then, ask yourself, why do you want to manifest this goal? What significance does it have for you and others? How strong is your desire to achieve it? Very good. Remember your goal. Now, the bubble begins to descend slowly, and when you land, your wish will manifest before you. The bubble descends slowly, and the image before you becomes clearer. Gradually, you see the complete picture and all the clear details. At this moment, you have landed and you have achieved your wish. Yes, this is your reality. Your wish has come true. Look around. Where are you now? Who is with you? What sounds do you hear? What feelings are in your heart? Fully experience the present moment, feeling the fulfillment this manifestation brings to your mind and body. Your heart resonates with this beautiful feeling, and you feel yourself glowing. You feel an unprecedented sense of protection and blessing. As long as you believe in what you believe in, with love and positive action, everything will come to you at the right time and place. Perhaps there will be some challenges and difficulties along the way. Sometimes you may feel anxious, frustrated, or doubtful. That's okay. Continue to believe in yourself. Keep visualizing this scene with love and sincere effort. Act with consistency, aligning your knowledge and actions, and the universe will arrange everything according to your wishes. Thank the universe and thank yourself. Everything you believe in, pursue, and desire will come into your life through your efforts.
During a difficult time, I found some videos that provided me with direction and calm. I hope this content brings you the same comfort and reminds you that you're not alone. For more, click the link in the comments below.